Once upon a time there was a poor woodcutter named Alibaba who lived with his wife in a small house. One day while he was working in the forest he overheard a group of 40 thieves who had hidden their treasure in a cave. The cave's entrance could only be opened by saying the magical words, "Open Sesame." As Alibaba watched, the thieves opened the cave and then left. Curious, Alibaba approached the cave after the thieves had gone. He repeated the magical words, "Open Sesame," and the cave door opened. Inside he found piles of gold coins, jewels and precious items. He took a small amount of the treasure and left. Later, Alibaba's brother Qasim learned about the treasure and demanded to know its location. When Alibaba told him, Qasim went to the cave but forgot the magic words to open the door. In his desperation he said, "Open door," and the cave did not open. When the thieves returned they found him trapped and killed him. Alibaba's household figured out their plan and foiled it. After a series of encounters, Alibaba and his family outsmarted the thieves, leading to their eventual defeat. In the end, Alibaba lived a prosperous and peaceful life with his family safe and the treasure now his.